Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, and of course I'm coming to you today all glammed up, meaning it's going to be a short chit chat interactive video. So today I'm going to be unboxing natural hair products that I received from natural hair company. They produce natural hair shampoos, creams, whatever. So I hope you guys have been good. I hope you guys have been safe, and you are, how do I put it, adhering to the rules, like wearing your mask, using your sanitizers, washing your hands when you can. So I'm just gonna keep this short. Let's just get into the unboxing. Yes. Okay, so today's products that I'm going to be unboxing are from Vidorck hair products. Okay, so I'm going to put their numbers and their WhatsApp numbers, their Instagram, their Facebook, all their social media handles. I'm going to just put them down below wherever it appears. I'm just gonna put it on the screen so that you guys will see. I'm also going to leave their Instagram handle in the description box so that if you're interested in purchasing their products, you can go ahead and purchase their products. So basically, as per the title, I'm going to be starting my natural hair journey again. Yes, I've decided to grow my hair, and I've decided that this is the best time to talk about it. I had a video where I did a get ready with me, but I lost the footage for that. If you follow me on Instagram, you're probably going to find the pictures that I took per that makeup video I did with the get ready with me, blah blah blah, why I cut my hair and everything. But I promise I'll make another video concerning that. But I just want to announce to you guys that I am officially going to start my natural hair journey again. Whoa! Okay, so let's get into the products. Basically what they gave me was the shampoo, conditioner, the hair mayonnaise, and also the shea butter cream or pomade. So this is the shampoo, and this is how it looks. Yes, so basically it says it's a concentrated formula. It softens, detangles, and repairs split ends, and hairball cleansing. And also it says that, let me just run through it a bit. I just don't want to make it too long. So yeah, I just want to get into the ingredients if it's stated here. Yeah, so the ingredients are large, big words. So we just get to the ones I can mention. Aloe vera, citric acid and fragrance, ammonium. Okay, yeah, these are basic things that make up we do shampoo with again. But then the main factor is that it is aloe vera gel. It's an aloe vera shampoo. So yes, and if you watch my previous, I don't know if I've used their shampoo before, I don't know, I think I didn't film it, but I've been using their shampoos way back when I took a break from Facebook. I say Facebook. When I took a break from social media in general, like including YouTube, I actually started using their I was using their natural hair shampoo. And if you actually go to their page and you see the old shampoo and you see the new improved and bigger one, trust me sis, you are going to run and buy this product. Okay, so let's get to the conditioner. So yeah, this is the deep penetrating Vidorck deep penetrating shampoo, and it's enriched with olive oil, egg protein, and herbal extracts. Phew. And it smells good. I forgot to smell the shampoo. The shampoo also smells pretty much good. I'll definitely be using their products in my videos from here on. I'm going to start my natural hair journey using Vidorck products. You know, sometimes it's good to constantly use one product for a particular time, like a month or 2 or 3, and you actually see how beneficial, how useful the product is to your hair or skin or whatever you're using it for. Yes, so it's a 1 liter shampoo. Trust me, this is very economical, especially if you're trying to save some coins. Yeah. And then next they gave me the hair mayonnaise intensive treatments for dried, damaged, relaxed, and colored treated hair. So if your hair is relaxed, you can use this. If your hair is damaged, you can use this. And I'm pretty much sure the shampoo and conditioner pretty much works for natural and relaxed hair, but I think they focus more on natural hair. Yes, so this is the shampoo, and it smells like strawberry. it really does smell good, like yogurt. Trust me, you feel like eating this. So this is 750 ml, made in Ghana. You guys should purchase made in Ghana, seriously. So I did a video on how I treat my hair before I braid my hair. Obviously my hair is a TYA, I can't do that, but I'm basically gonna definitely do a video where I shampoo, use the treatment in my hair and everything. So yeah. And then the last but not the least is the natural shea butter pomade, and the active ingredients is African natural shea butter, organic almond oil, castor oil, virgin coconut oil, organic oil, probably other organic oils. So what happened was that they brought it to me in a beautiful package, but I think the dispatch did not handle the product well, and you know, shea butter and heat are not friends, so it basically ruined the whole package. I literally planned on doing the unboxing with a nice package and everything, and I couldn't do it. And then so I didn't get much of the shea butter, so this is what I had much left. Basically it had melted into oil like everything, so I had to freeze it up a bit, and then I got a thick texture, sort of thick texture, but it really smells good. And I know that they're definitely going to send me another cream, just so you know, to fill in what I got. So yeah, so guys, this is basically the video. Okay, this is it. I am done talking. Zip. So I'm starting my natural hair journey. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to get hair vitamins. You know, it also helps in the hair process. Don't let people lie to you and let them say they don't take hair vitamins. It's good for your skin, your nails, your hair. Take it if you want to, but I'm not necessarily a fan of pills, so I'm really trying to get the Nature's Bounty gummy. Yeah, I'm trying to get it. I don't know, I'll show a picture of it, probably know it. So I'm trying to get it, but it's really out of stock here, and right now with the COVID and everything going on, you know, things are not really coming in and going out like they used to. So I'm just gonna end here, and I'll see you in my next video. I just want to say thank you for watching, and thank you for always coming to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Akia Michaela, and if you don't mind, can you please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos? If this video was interesting to you, I'm sure other links will be suggested to you whilst you're watching. So if you're new here, thank you for actually passing by to watch my video, and please subscribe, and please click the notification bell, and also share with a friend who might need some help. And yes, if you're old here, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always I appreciate every single one of you, no matter how small it is. And guys, please comment, because I always reply to my comments and everything. And if you want to join me on social media like Instagram or whatever, I'm very active on Instagram. That's the most active social media apart from YouTube. So if you want to join me there, please, why not? And also I also have a look I did on Instagram for this. I have the video, just a short simple minute tutorial on my IGTV on this look. So if you're interested, please head to my Instagram. I'll put it in the description link, and then you enjoy the video. So thank you so much once again for watching my video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. God bless, be safe, and have a safe week, day, whatever day you're watching this.